I've seen for myself people convicted of crimes because the jury said, oh, hell yeah, I'll take that land to say this person is guilty. I've seen juries say, oh, I don't want my lifestyle to be interrupted, so I'm going to find this person guilty. Y'all think people just really do the right thing? No, they don't. No, they don't. A lot of people are followers. A lot of people only going to do what's best for them. And that's the reality. And that's the reality of what I'm seeing with this situation. So I'm going to take a step back. I've also been blessed to represent clients that have no longer been here. So wrongful death cases. I've been hired by families who their loved ones was killed at venues and they wanted somebody to be accountable. So rest in peace to my clients who I represented in a situation where they were killed at masquerade. Now, what happens when you're dealing with a wrongful death case? We let the business know, hey, we're representing this family in this wrongful death. We ask the business for their insurance information so we can do an insurance claim for the wrongful death person. So just as the record labels, the management companies do life insurance policies on these artists, etc. Well, people have life, or businesses have life insurance policies in case someone is injured or killed, or employees are hurt on the job. We can all agree on that, right? Everybody know that, right? So for me, if I was called from the family, the Thornton family, to represent the wrongful death of Young Dolph, first thing we do, we're sending a letter to Makita's Cookies. Hey, we need your insurance info. My client was murdered at your location. Woo, 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 woo. Well, what I saw the day after Dolph dying was, don't blame Makita's. It's a small black-owned business. But this black man was murdered there. Who gives a fuck that it's a small black-owned business? Because what I want to know is, if Makita is in a high crime area, do you have security? Do you have videos in your place of business? Have you done things to make this location more safe, because you've had all these shootings prior to my client being murdered at your place of business? Don't play with me, y'all. Don't play with me.